Alright, there we go. Finally. Copy link. Alrighty. Let's get it now. Okay, okay. Um, we have a pretty nice hourly candle brewing right now. Basically, let's see. As of right now, this is kind of the range. Um, we did sweep these lows already. We are hitting this bearish FEG here, so this was kind of like a good short. But we did hit this low that I was talking about earlier. This is a pretty good trade. Targeting these lows. As of right now, long targets would be back up to there. I would be looking for a sweep though, so I'd be looking for a sweep in the next start of the hour. And my bad, y'all. My camera stopped working as I was talking there, so I tried to unplug my camera, accidentally unplugged my Wi-Fi, and now I can't get my camera back up. So I'll have to figure that out later as well. But not right now. This is a good trade here. Let's see, we're gonna get this new low at some point for the hourly. We are sweeping this one officially. If we were to get a bearish FEG here and then create an IFVG on the recovery up, that might be a good setup long. So let me make this a bullish IFVG. We would need to get above this though. Trying to find like if there's anything over here that I could be longing. I think price has already broken this. We have this weird little gap here. That's where, oh, from earnings. We still have 10 minutes until the new hour, so what I'd want to see here is a kind of a local bottom be put in, and either A, kind of go like this, and then target up here, or B, this becomes a bottom, retake, find an entry model here like this, and then try to target up here. Something along those lines. However, my target is now would only be up to here, so. So that's what I'm kind of looking for, is one of these two models to play out here. We swept this low. Just Let's say an effort for a short right here might make sense. I just need to visualize it. Would have been nice to snipe that at the CE up near 14. Would have been nice. Got multiple delta turnaround signal candles though, so that's something to note as well. As of right now, I'll mark it for the time being. We have a new hourly bottom. So, do I have the template for it? No. This is the 6 a.m. low. I mean that on the hourly time frame, just like this will be the 6 a.m. high. It just means in this hourly candle, this was the low and this was the high for the 6 a.m. candle bar. So we will see. I'll adjust this accordingly once we have all the data. Looks like this one's trying to play out here more than this one right now. As you see, got the rejection. Now we're moving lower. Do we get the wick through? Retest and go? Maybe. News at 10. Yeah, I think it's something super small though. Let me load it up really quick. It was factory orders. Yeah, I'm personally not really worried about factory orders. I am liking this short though for the then to get the sweep of these lows um before we actually move higher. Although we just did sweep this small low, so it could have been that could have been the sweep if you will. But let's say I liked it a lot more near like 13. Could have been a super small sweep right here, and then this wick could have swept it like this. It's hard to see this wick, but I do like the setup for now though. one of the first times we're actually getting the market overall to kind of move lower together. YM's being the most resilient, but we're still uh, let's see.
Order
I'm
filled.
gonna look to snag this right here. We'll keep it tight right now, but I think we're gonna try to take out the lows. Trying the short. I think we're gonna try to take out the lows into the 7 o'clock candle first before we move higher. I exceeded threshold. What does that mean? Let's see.
Stop filled.
Oh, okay, that hit my stop. No worries. We actually got the close here, so I'm actually gonna look long if we could. Come on. Don't just run without me here. Don't just run without me. I'm gonna do the original trade plan here if we can get this. Ah, come on. Come on. Reject back into this. Still not even 7 yet. I could have swore it was already 7. I don't know why I thought that. I thought that we were right into the news on that pump.
Order
Trying right
filled.
here. Trying the long like I wanted. The frustrating thing is I think I might have been off on my time a little bit.
Order filled.
Let me see. TP would be at 43. Make it 42. Uh, don't love that bearish FEG being created right here. Need to close that immediately or else I'm going to get out. And it didn't fully close it, so let's see. Come on. Gonna raise my stop a smidge here if we can get this pop. Come on, I just wanted to pop so I can get out of this position at this point. Come on.
Stop
It just
filled.
wouldn't pop enough for me to get out. And you know what's most frustrating is I don't know why I thought, and I literally said it. I said we had a minute till news. I thought we would. This was the trade. Like I called this trade the dump into it at 7, but I thought it was already 7. So no worries. Just gonna look for this break now and get the retest. But yeah, this was the bearish FEG that I didn't want to see it create for some upside hope, but Damn, this was the tray that I wanted, and it hit this FEG, not this one, and then I shorted the wrong one. I should have shorted the middle one, but I thought we were, for some reason, I thought the time was already 7. So, I mean, that's my own fault, but, like, wow. That's not it. Hoping to get a little bit more of a pop, and then I wanted to target this. If we could have got it back up here to retest the 6 a.m. lows. Mm, I think I got to size down on this next trade here, just to try to build me up some cushion. Actually, you know what?
Order filled.
Let's see. It was a horrible fill, by the way. I'm like 5 points away from being stopped out for the day, which, whatever. We had a good day yesterday, so it would be what it is. But that was a horrible fill. I did not enter there by any freaking means of the imagination. And of course, we have this IFE, bullish IFEG here.
Order filled.
Alright, yeah, that stopped me out for the day. Um, Jesus. That was a horrible fill. I don't even understand that fill. I was adding up here like 45 or 75 rather. This is bullish FEG here though. I honestly wouldn't be surprised to see this hold and then recover back up like I originally freaking wanted. I might paper trade it just to prove a down point.
Order submitted. Order filled.
I'm gonna paper trade it just to prove a down point. Just to prove what should have happened. Oh,
Order filled.
now we're right here where we should bounce. Are we gonna take out these lows again? I mean, we could. Either way, that's so frustrating. My entry was at fucking 75, which would have never stopped me out, and I would have caught this flush. Jeez. So I would have caught the flush like I wanted to. I would've caught the 30 points like I should have caught, basically right here. So annoying. I don't even, I question that fill, but whatever.
Order filled.
That is me one of those days where we honestly just dump all the way to previous day lows, which it looks like we're gonna. Bearish PDR. Let's see. I'm gonna try to reverse it if we can get that pop into that bearish PBR.
Order filled.
I'm actually just gonna try it here. Come on, give me the pop up there. Pop it up, pop it up. Or not, or not, or not. It's so annoying. This is literally what I was trying to do, bro. I probably really should have went with the micros like I was about to do. Yeah, it's gonna go all the way down here without me. Damn. Unbelievable. This should have been a huge trade. I was on the right side of that too. I just don't even. Now we're taking out previous day low. We've completely engulfed FOMC pop. Yeah, we wicked that previous day low. Now all the way back. We saw previous day low. At this point, we've kind of maybe engulfed here. Again, this might be a good short area here as well, this PBR. I just can't believe my short. I grabbed a short here. It filled me like here. I don't know. Interesting short area here, but let's see. Actually,
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
let's see if we can catch the drop all the way down. Ah, it's ripping back into this. This is where my average should be. Average should be like 5 points lower or higher. And we've cleared the PBR, kinda. Feels like I'm just on the wrong side of everything right now.
Order filled.
Let's see, try to hold this to see if we can get the break of the lows, or at least a nice push lower. I want to say, if we sweep this hourly candle and then get back up, that's going to be crazy. It would have to be back above 500 though, so like somewhere up here. If we get back up above here, we may just rocket back on the recovery. If we clear like 500, that is. IFEG can hold. Give it a few more minutes here. These candles are crazy. Like, it doesn't look like I'm even up 7 points. Looks like I'm up maybe a point or two. So, it means it's just moving a lot. Does not feel like that's like 10 points. Let's see. Get the candle to close here, which we don't get. I was gonna say, that's not necessarily good there at all. We got a small little wick down and recover back up, so need to see it. Really don't. You just get that follow through here. If we can't, it's definitely not ideal. So we've wicked through here twice without being able to get the close lower. On the 1 minute chart. Like I said, it's definitely not ideal. Just need to see it followed through with the dump. see here. I'm also gonna lower my stops to these highs right here. Probably should have listened to myself when I said that wasn't good 4 times in a row. Something's not good, it's not good. Doesn't matter if you're in the position or not.
Stop filled.
Yeah, exactly. I kept saying it right here. This wasn't good. We should have got a close down here. Should have got a wick, and then we got 3 of them, and then we got this little like rounded bottom. Always equals that move back up. But didn't want to let it go. Kind of an inverse head and shoulders, right, guys? Like boom. I'm about to get out of here right now, but I feel like this is the inverse head and shoulders after breaking previous day low. For anyone that trades those patterns, kind of interesting. I personally really don't, but I recognize it when I see it. For me, it was more so about these wicks that couldn't get the close below 3 different times in a row. That was a sign to me that we were about to recover really nicely. Delta was putting in a low as well there. Like I said, we have to get back up through here. But if we do, like we start to, or actually not even that. What is this candle? This one, the 6 a.m. low. We get back above the 6 a.m. low, which we already are, and establish ourselves. This was a huge turtle suit for the sweep back up to probably here at least. So, you know, something like this would have been. Guess there's a FEG being created here. If I would have taken the longs here, I would have targeted this 100 points. I obviously didn't take it. I was in that stupid position, and then yeah, but could have risked the lows here just on this to try to turtle soup, mini turtle soup after sweeping the lows, a PDL, get above here, and then hold this, and then finish the mission up to here. But that's what I see. There's a lot of bearish FUGs on the way though, so might face some resistance. There's this one. There's not this one. That one's already been closed up. There's this one. So there's some resistance on the way up, but I feel like it could get there. Might just have to be really picky on the entry. ES is up at, or sorry, not ES. And Y, NQ's VWAP and Gold EMAs are all up at like 30. So, like up here. But anyways, guys, that's it for me today. Kind of a rough day. I started with my whatchamacallit, my camcorder going out, or my video device going out, camera. Then I accidentally unplugged my Wi-Fi when I was trying to unplug the camcorder, and then for some reason I lost track of time, and I thought that on this pop it was already on the other side of 7, which I was calling for a dump after 7 to sweep the lows, which we got that, but I just mixed up my time, so that led to a little disoriented trading, which led to some losses. So with that being said, guys, I am out of here. I will catch you guys all tomorrow. It is Friday. I'm looking forward to a great Friday, a good uh Friday, end the week strong. This week's been kind of annoying with like Wi-Fi issues early to start the week and everything like that. And then today was just mostly my mishap. I had Wi-Fi issues, but it's because I unplugged it on accident. So, yeah. So I'll catch you guys all tomorrow morning. Look forward to it, guys. Let's have a good Friday. See you guys.